Have you ever looked at your paycheck and thought, where did all my money go? Or maybe you find yourself counting the days until payday because you're always strapped for cash, no matter how hard you hustle. What if I told you that having more money isn't always the answer to your financial stress, because the real issue might be your money mindset? Stay with me, because in just the next few minutes, I'm going to show you 7 incredibly simple habits you can adopt, starting right now, that will completely transform how you see, spend, and save your money in just 1 week. Understanding your money mindset. Day 1. Alright, first things first, let's clear up what we mean by money mindset. Your money mindset is essentially the way you think about, handle, and perceive money. It influences every financial decision you make, whether you realize it or not. Think about 2 friends, Sarah and Emily. Both earn exactly the same salary, but at the end of the month, Sarah always has savings left while Emily struggles to cover her expenses. Why is that? It's their mindset. Sarah believes she can manage money well, while Emily constantly feels like there's never enough. This simple difference completely changes their outcomes. So how do we shift your mindset starting today? Let's dive into habit number 1. Habit hash 1. Track every dollar. Day 1. Day 1 begins with awareness. Your first task is simple. For the next 7 days, track every dollar you spend. No judgment, just observation. Think of your money like calories. If you're trying to get fit, you'd track what you're eating, right? The same logic applies here. By tracking your spending, you immediately take back control. Suddenly, those impulsive coffee runs or late-night online shopping carts become clear choices rather than unconscious habits. Trust me, by day 7, you'll notice patterns that surprise you, and you'll see exactly where your money is disappearing. Habit hash 2. Daily money affirmations. Day 2. On day 2, we're going to focus on something called affirmations. Affirmations are short, powerful statements that you say to yourself, and they're designed to shape your beliefs and actions around money. Now, before you dismiss affirmations as fluffy or unrealistic, consider this. Studies show that about 95% of your daily decisions and behaviors are controlled by your subconscious mind. That means most of the ways you spend, save, or handle money come from hidden beliefs you're probably not even aware of. By consistently practicing affirmations, you're actively rewiring your subconscious mind to adopt healthier, more positive financial beliefs. This simple habit can significantly alter your relationship with money in a very real and practical way. Here's exactly how to start. Tomorrow morning, find a quiet place, look in the mirror, and confidently say this affirmation out loud 3 times. Money flows easily into my life, and I always make smart financial decisions. At first, this might feel awkward or even silly, but trust the process. Your brain begins to internalize this positive message, gradually shifting your daily behavior to match these empowering beliefs. You can also customize affirmations to fit your specific goals. For instance, I am worthy of financial abundance. I effortlessly attract financial opportunities. I control money. Money does not control me. If you make affirmations a consistent habit, even just for 1 week, you'll begin to notice subtle but powerful shifts in how confident and positive you feel about your finances. Remember, affirmations aren't magic. They're science-backed tools for changing how you think and act. Give it a sincere try, and by day 7, you'll notice how your actions begin to align with the financial success you're affirming every day. Habit hash 3. The powerful 24-hour rule. Day 3. Next up is the 24-hour rule, a powerful habit designed to curb impulsive spending, the silent killer of financial stability. Whenever you're tempted to buy something non-essential, especially over $50, simply wait a full 24 hours before purchasing. Often, you'll realize the urge fades quickly, saving you money and helping you make smarter spending choices. Here's exactly how to do it. Step 1. Notice the impulse. Recognize when you feel emotionally driven to buy something. Step 2. Pause before purchasing. Save the item in your cart or wish list and close the app or website. Step 3. Wait 24 hours. During this time, ask yourself, do I truly need it? Can I comfortably afford it? Will it genuinely add value to my life? Step 4. After 24 hours, reconsider your decision. Often, you'll find your initial desire has faded. This simple habit reduces impulsive spending, saves money, and strengthens your financial discipline by helping you make thoughtful decisions instead of emotional reactions. Give the 24-hour rule a serious try tomorrow, and within a week, you'll be amazed at the clarity and control you have over your spending habits. Habit hash 4. Practicing gratitude for your money. Day 4. Day 4 is about gratitude. It might seem unrelated at first, but gratitude profoundly impacts your mindset. Take Amanda's story. She used to dread checking her bank account. Then she started a nightly habit, writing down 3 small financial wins every day, even tiny ones like skipping a soda. After a week, her anxiety dropped significantly, and she became empowered by gratitude. She realized she already had plenty to feel thankful for, which shifted her from a scarcity mindset to abundance. This habit is powerful. Don't skip it. Habit #5. Generosity attracts abundance. Day 5. Now here's a hidden secret that most people completely overlook. Generosity actually attracts money. Sounds counterintuitive, right? Let's talk about David. When money was tight, giving away even small amounts seemed impossible. But one day, he gave just $5 to a homeless man. Something incredible happened. David felt richer, more capable, and more abundant instantly. Soon after, he noticed more opportunities opening up, promotions, freelance offers, because his mindset had shifted from scarcity to abundance. Even if it's tiny, generosity activates your abundance mindset. Try this, and you'll see opportunities you never noticed before. Habit #6. Educate yourself financially. Day 6. On day 6, dedicate just 15 minutes to improving your financial knowledge. You can watch short YouTube videos, listen to podcasts, or read quick articles on budgeting, saving, investing, or managing debt. By consistently learning, you'll build confidence, make smarter decisions, and avoid common financial mistakes. Even just a small daily habit of financial education can significantly enhance your money skills. Within a month, you'll be equipped with valuable insights most people never acquire. Remember, understanding money means controlling your future, so prioritize those 15 minutes daily. Habit #7. Visualize your financial goals. Day 7. Day 7 focuses on visualization, clearly imagining yourself achieving your financial goals. Take a few minutes each day to picture exactly how your life would look and feel once you've reached your desired financial milestones. Imagine specific scenarios, like being debt-free, having a healthy savings account, or comfortably affording things that matter to you. The more vividly and frequently you visualize these outcomes, the more motivated you'll feel, influencing you to take positive financial actions every day. Visualization aligns your subconscious mind with your goals, helping you stay focused and committed until they become your reality. So there you have it. 7 simple, practical habits you can start right now to shift your money mindset in just 1 week. Track your spending. Daily affirmations. The 24-hour rule. Practice gratitude, generosity, financial education, visualizing goals. Imagine just 7 days from today, feeling more confident, less stressed, and totally empowered about money. But it only happens if you commit to starting. If you found value here, do me a favor, hit that like button right now, and I genuinely want to know. Comment below, which habit are you starting with first? Let's support each other in this journey. Don't forget to subscribe to Money Mindset for more practical tips to transform your financial life. Turn on notifications so you won't miss out on next week's video, where we'll dive even deeper into mastering your money and achieving financial freedom. Remember, the most powerful financial changes don't start in your wallet, they start in your mind. You absolutely can build wealth, confidence, and the life you want. It begins with these simple habits. Start today, believe in yourself, and I'll see you next time right here on Money Mindset.